Renata from Tropical Acai. Today I'm gonna show you how to do a basic acai bowl using our pure organic acai pack. First, tip number 1, rinse with a little water so it's easy to come out from the bag. Now with the scissor, I'm gonna cut the top of the acai pack so we can add it into the blender. We're going to add our acai pure packs into the blender. And it comes out much easier this time. And it's a basic acai bowl, so I'm gonna add about 1 portion of banana. I have it pre-cut. Tip number 2 is always nice to use an overripe banana because it adds to the sweetness, okay? If you want, you can add a splash of honey. If you want, you can add a splash of sugar, a blue agave. I just kind of put a little bit because I like it sweet, and our acai pure packs has absolutely 0 sugar. Sometimes I like to add a little bit of almond milk, apple juice, but I'm gonna start just like that now and see if it's easy to blend. It blends so nicely for the few seconds that I didn't add any apple juice or almond milk, but feel free to do if you have a little bit hard time blending. So now I'm gonna add whatever toppings I want. This is a basic acai bowl, so what I like to do is just add some granolas on it. I'm gonna also put some fresh strawberries. So I'm gonna add some fresh bananas straight into my acai bowl. This is a basic one, and sometimes I do for breakfast when I'm rushing to go to work and sell amazing acai to the world. And you know how I'm gonna top this? I'm gonna top this with some chia seeds. And now comes my favorite part, to taste my basic acai bowl. I know it's gonna be so good. Saúde!